What is up, everybody? I am Kelvin and you're welcome again to this channel, AllTimePreneur. Today we are going to be talking about different affiliate marketing platforms that we are going to be using to make money online. For the purpose of this video, I am going to be giving you 4 affiliate marketing platforms which I have already tried and tested, and I am bringing them to you. If you remember at the start of this channel, I told you I will not be dishing out anything I haven't tried out myself. So best believe these 4 different platforms, I have tried them and I am actually seeing profitable results from them. So these 4 different affiliate marketing platforms I'm talking about is ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Expertnia. The reason why I added Expertnia is because of folks in Nigeria who would like to try out the affiliate marketing platform and also make money online. Expertnia is a good one, and trust me, this is not a paid review or whatever. So anything I am dishing out here is because I have used it and I am also recommending them to you for use. So without further ado, let's go into the laptop screen while I show you. I'm always saying let's go into the laptop screen. Okay, so basically just fire up your web browser on your phone, your laptop, wherever, and you want to head on to ClickBank, clickbank.com. Okay, loading up. So I'm going to be straight with you. The thing with ClickBank is that it does not accept Nigerians. So what I did, forget about every other thing you've been hearing outside, VPN, no VPN, this. You're going to need a VPN eventually, but for you to sign up successfully, I would advise you get somebody who is over there. Like when I say over there, I mean overseas, who is in the UK, US, Canada, Australia, a family member, a trusted friend, somebody who you can actually get to help you sign up on this ClickBank platform and send you the login details. Now that is where the VPN comes in. You're going to be using your VPN to log in subsequently and look for products to promote and get your commission. So VPN is not expressly going to work for you in sign up. If it does, along the line you're going to get hiccups. And what I mean by hiccups is that when it gets to cashing out or withdrawing your funds, you will not be able to do that. When it eventually gets closed down, you will not be able to open it back because you don't have any valid credentials to show that you are actually living in that country where it was opened. So that is why it is best to get somebody who is over there, open it up for you, and help you sign up and give you the login details like I said earlier, and then you can go ahead. So basically what you just want to do is to click on the sign up button. It's a pretty straightforward thing. Once you send the link to anybody over there who will be able to open it for you, it's pretty straightforward. Just go through it, fill it up, pick out the countries. Nigeria is actually listed in this drop down list, but for some reasons when you go through the process of the registration, you find out that they will give you a message that your country is not eligible to sign up on this platform. Whereas Nigeria, yeah, it's right there. So we have Nigeria right there, but when you go through, like I said, you meet a roadblock and you are not allowed to sign up on this platform. So get somebody over there who can be able to help you sign up on the platform. It's pretty straightforward, like I said earlier, and then just basically click on join ClickBank. So without wasting much of your time, the next one we want to go to is jvzoo.com. Okay, jvzoo.com. I think I should already have my okay. All right, it's loaded. So you just want to go through the front page here, get yourself acquainted with everything, read it all, product sellers, affiliates, and all that. So you want to come down here and click on get started for free. Affiliate payments made easy. So go down right there and click get started for free. Okay, so you basically want to come here and click on sign up. It takes you to a form that you have to fill, and it's basically straightforward. Full legal name, email address, password, and all that. And then you click on okay, go to the countries, select your country, Nigeria, and then click on register. So it's pretty straightforward. That's basically everything you need to do to sign up on JVZoo. So the next one we want to be looking at is Warrior Plus. WarriorPlus.com. Alright, so Warrior Plus is opened up right here. I love the way the UI kind of follows my mouse pointer. I digress. Okay, so basically you want to just come on warriorplus.com and click free sign up. Also, as I would also tell you, go down and read through the website. Just read through the front page there, see everything you need to see, understand it, get a feel of the website before you go ahead to click the free sign up. Okay, and then of course, as usual, a form pops up for you to fill, and basically just put in your username, your password. Make sure you can remember all these things. If it is possible for you to save them somewhere or have a backup somewhere, good. For ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, AllTimePreneur, make sure you don't forget your login details. It is very important. So you have all this here, and when you fill all that, basically click on the I am not a robot and create account. So when you're done with this, you already have your login details, and then you just go ahead and log in each time you want to access the Warrior Plus platform. I am going to be doing a comprehensive video later on each of these platforms to show you how to get products to run affiliate programs on and get some commission. But for now, this is just a short video to show you how to sign up on these different affiliate marketing platforms, and they are what I use. You can make your research, check out other affiliate platforms out there that actually accept Nigerians, or if you have somebody over there that can help you do that, fine. The main aim at the end of the day is to get an affiliate marketing platform where you can promote other people's products for a commission. So the next one we want to go to, open another tab and go to AllTimePreneur. AllTimePreneur is spelled like millionaire, but expert instead of million. So AllTimePreneur.com. Okay, and it's firing up. Yeah, we have it right here. We distribute high value digital knowledge products. I've been seeing a lot of reviews about AllTimePreneur. A whole lot of people have been doing some reviews on YouTube. I've been seeing some videos on Facebook, some other reviews as well on Instagram, and I just thought to try it out on my own. So the thing I noticed about AllTimePreneur is that before you can be able to join as an affiliate, like get started, sign up or whatever, before you can be able to do that, you have to have 10,000 naira. And the reason for you to have this 10,000 naira is that you basically use it as an annual sign up fee, as they call it. Some people have some referral link where you just keep the 10,000 naira, I think, for a month or so. Yeah, some people have an affiliate link, but I am not going to be giving you that right now. Okay, so like I said earlier, I am going to be doing a comprehensive review of each of these sites in subsequent videos to come. I'm going to be doing a review on each and every one of them, single videos. Okay, so just be patient. This video is not to take much of your time. I just want to review these sites to you and show you that they are the sites I use and they actually work. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Like this video if you're getting value from it. Comment so I relate with you on a personal level, and share to other people who you think might find this valuable. Okay, so before you can become an affiliate, trust me, you have to have 10,000 naira on that, and then you just basically click on become an affiliate right here. Okay, earn money as an affiliate promoting high quality products. It takes you to the sign up page. Click on sign up. Okay, and there we have our form. I can categorically tell you that this is a very good website. It is up there with the likes of JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, if I do say so myself. So AllTimePreneur is quite user friendly. It is more relatable when it comes to affiliate marketing as per 9. So you just fill in the form, your full name, your phone number, email, password, confirm password, click on the box, I agree to terms and conditions, and click register, and you're basically good to go. So thank you very much for watching this video up until the end. I appreciate you all who have been following me. I appreciate you all who have been liking my videos. It's quite the beginning of a very interesting journey, and I love you all for being here. And we are going to have quite the time right on here, and we are also going to make some money online, let's believe. So if you got value from this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with people who you feel might find this valuable and informative, and also comment in the comment section so I relate with you on a personal level. Okay, so till I come your way again, Kelvin is me, AllTimePreneur is you. See you on the other happy side.